Emma had no idea her life was about to change forever. Suddenly, Emma's phone started ringing. The number was completely unknown. A strange feeling filled the room. The mysterious call had finally arrived. Hello? Who is this? A strange voice answered slowly. The caller sounded calm and serious. Then the voice warned Emma about... A strange voice answered slowly. The caller sounded calm and serious. You are not safe tonight. How do you know that? Emma stood quietly in the dark room. Fear slowly grew inside her mind. The strange caller continued speaking. Something terrible is going to happen. Emma stood quietly in the dark room. Fear slowly grew inside her mind. The strange caller continued speaking. Something terrible is going to happen. The mysterious caller sounded strange. You must listen carefully, Emma. You must listen carefully, Emma. You must listen carefully, Emma. This has to be a joke. The power will go out in 5 seconds. The mysterious caller spoke again. He warned Emma about the lights. Then everything became silent. Suddenly, all the lights turned off. Emma froze in complete darkness. Now she knew the caller was telling the truth. The voice knew the future. Suddenly, all the lights turned off. Emma froze in complete darkness. Now she knew the caller was telling the truth. The voice knew the future. The voice knew the future. Emma looked around the dark room nervously. Her heart started beating faster. She suddenly felt completely alone. Then the caller said something impossible. He claimed he was calling from the future. I'm calling from the future, Emma. Emma became frustrated and confused. The story sounded impossible. She thought the caller was lying. That's impossible. A car will crash outside in 10 seconds. Emma slowly walked toward the window. Rain covered the dark street outside. Fear filled her mind. How could he know that? Emma slowly walked toward the window. Rain covered the dark street outside. Fear filled her mind. How could he know that? How could he know that? The night felt strangely different. The night felt strangely different. The night felt strangely different. You must stay home tomorrow. You must stay home tomorrow. Who are you really? The mysterious caller stayed silent for a moment. Then he quietly refused to answer. Emma felt more frightened than ever. You are safer if you never know my identity. Alex? Something really strange is happening. Emma, are you serious? Emma, are you serious? Alex listened carefully to Emma's story. At first, he thought it sounded impossible. But Emma sounded truly frightened. The caller knew things before they happened. Alex stopped laughing completely. Now he felt nervous too. Something about the story felt real. This doesn't sound like a joke anymore. Suddenly, Emma's phone rang again. The same unknown number appeared. Both Emma and Alex became silent. He was calling again. Many people will die tomorrow. Fear turned into determination. I need evidence. Do not look outside the window. The mysterious caller suddenly became quiet. Then he warned Emma about something terrifying. Emma slowly looked outside anyway. A dark shadow stood near the street. The figure did not move at all. Someone was really there. Emma moved away from the window slowly. Fear completely filled her mind. She was afraid the caller was right. I think someone is calling me from the future. Tell me everything carefully. Maybe time signals are possible. Suddenly, Emma's phone rang again. The hallway around her felt cold and empty. Fear returned immediately. He was calling again. You must stop the accident tomorrow. Emma learned something terrifying. A bridge accident would happen tomorrow morning. Many people could die. The bridge will collapse. You have to listen to me. You have to listen to me. No one believed her warning. Emma sat alone in the park quietly. She felt completely hopeless now. Time was running out. She did not know what to do anymore. I believe you, Emma. We need to understand the calls. The documents discussed strange time experiments. Some scientists believed signals could travel through time. I helped create the technology. Huh? He knows us personally? He knows us personally? You deserve to know the truth now. Emma could not believe what she saw. The mysterious caller was future Alex. He was trying to save everyone. It was Alex, from the future. Emma and Alex rushed toward the bridge immediately. Time was almost gone. Many lives depended on them now. We have to stop the disaster. Emma and Alex warned people just in time. Cars stopped moving across the bridge. Moments later, disaster struck. They saved many lives that night. Thank you for changing the future. We need to understand the calls. You have to listen to me. He knows us personally? Emma sat alone in the park quietly. She felt completely hopeless now. Time was running out. She did not know what to do anymore. Emma stood quietly in the dark room. Fear slowly grew inside her mind. The strange caller continued speaking. Something terrible is going to happen. I helped create the technology.